Welcome back to Camp Nou Vision, your home for the most detailed and reliable construction updates of the new Spotify Camp Nou. In this video, we'll take a closer look at how the stadium continues to progress day by day, how new elements are rising, how each structure is evolving, and how the entire site is steadily moving toward the next major phases of construction. From the ground-level foundations to the upper structural work, every week brings visible transformation, and today's update captures all of that ongoing momentum. So let's dive in and explore the latest progress from the future home of FC Barcelona. At the north goal, the corner area is quiet, with the third overhang completed but lamella supports still arriving. Some pillars connecting the second and third overhangs need final concrete. In the middle section, scaffolding and platforms cover gaps, and forgiato panels are nearly complete. Workers are spread across the area, and materials are neatly organized below lamella supports are being installed, preparing the area for upcoming concrete work and further progress. The parking ramp is starting to take shape. Panels and reinforcements have been positioned, and layers of ferraya are being added. Concrete pouring may begin here soon, though some parts still need final adjustments. Workers are actively managing the area, ensuring the structure is ready for the next stage. Activity is consistent, and the ramp is progressing well, showing clear signs of advancement each week. The south goal corner has its door open, giving a clear view inside. New lamella supports are being installed. Brackets are secured with chains and hammers, and platforms are adjusting them. Additional supports are ready for installation in the coming days. Upper levels will probably be done after completing the first overhang. Concrete pumps are present, but most pillars in the third overhang still need work. Prefabricated stands are stacked, waiting to cover more of the south goal soon. In the tribune and club store area, updates are more subtle. Glass supports are in place, insulation remains, and only minor adjustments are being made. Workers are installing small beams for stair structures, adjusting panels and tubes, and preparing the area for final touches. Progress is steady, though less dramatic than in the north or south goal sections. Along the lateral side of the north goal, workers are actively installing ferraya and preparing the structure for the next stage. Panels and supports are being positioned carefully, layer by layer, while platforms assist with the placement of lamella supports tubes and materials have been organized, and prefabricated seats are stacked nearby, ready to be installed. Progress is steady, and the area is shaping up for upcoming concrete work that wraps up today's full update. We hope you enjoyed this week's progress around the new Spotify Camp Nou. If you want to stay ahead with every new milestone and on-site development, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an upload. Until the next update, take care, and Visca Barça!